This is how I made a barn door. I went to Bunnings, got some wood, they even trimmed it so I can fit it into my car. I laid it all out, trimmed the edges, and then glued the tongue and groove boards together. I then cut to size and attached the horizontal boards with some glue and lots of small nails. Then I cleaned up the workspace, attached the vertical boards, and here we have the finished door. Then we decided to add some varnish, but first we have to sand and clean it off a little bit. This was the first time we were doing this, so it didn't go as smoothly as expected, but it was good enough. I then installed the backboards and the railing, and then we decided to check if the door actually fits, and of course it didn't. It was a little bit too long, so I just trimmed the bottom, but of course that also was not enough, so I had to trim it again, and it was perfect. Then I added the roller on the bottom, and probably one of my favorite features, the soft close. God, I love it. And that's the finished product. Doing this ourselves saved us about $1,500, and I think it's good enough.